Repairing asphalt cracks is really easy. If you're a residential homeowner with a small driveway, use liquid pour crack filler. It comes in 1-gallon bottles and you squeeze it into the cracks right up to the surface. You want to make sure that crack sealer is completely flush with that asphalt surface to prevent water from pooling in along the crack and potentially leaking through to the foundation. If you have a larger property or you're a commercial contractor out there doing this work, you want to use rubberized crack filler. You have machines that you push, and they actually heat up the rubberized crack filler to liquid form and apply it at walking speed. Rubberized crack filler is definitely the way you want to go if you want to fill cracks for years to come. If you have a big spidered area where the cracks are like alligator skin, you would use what's called Gator patch. It comes in a 5-gallon pail. You simply take it out. It's similar to like a mud or a clay. You take it out, trowel it on the surface, and pass a broom over top. That will smear the Gator patch all over that cracked area, making sure that it's sealed up, preventing water from hitting that foundation. You see, crack sealing's easy.